Hello everyone. If you are getting started with Azure or cloud computing certification, then this video is for you as I'm going to talk about how to prepare for your first Azure certification, which will be AZ-900. So this is my blog ravikiranes.com, and I've linked to this blog in the description below. And here in this blog, I have published Azure certificate study guides for almost all the Azure certifications. Since in this video I'm going to talk about AZ-900, let me open AZ-900, and here I've given list of training materials that you can use for your preparation. So you have LinkedIn Learning, and then you have Scott's course of Udemy for AZ-900 preparation. But one of the most important thing that you must take before going for certification is the mock test. Here I have linked to Whizlab mock test, and Whizlab mock test have been praised really well in the social forums. So Whizlabs provides training material, or they provide practice test which are a close simulation of the actual exam. So here you can go and purchase this practice test, and this is just a one-time purchase. Use the coupon as well so that it reduces your cost. So let me show you how typical practice test works like. Before you can purchase, go to this free test which is available and say access now. So here you get 15 questions which you can try for, and let me just sign in with Google. And once you log in, you get this practice test, the free test, and the paid test as well. So once you are satisfied with the free test, you can go for the paid test. So first let's try out the free test, the sample test, and how they look like. So let's go and start the exam. And it provides questions exactly in the Azure exam format, and here you can mark the answers. You can also say mark as review, and once you mark, you also see the list of questions that you have attempted, and go to the next question and again mark the answers as you would feel like. And then once you're done, go and submit the exam, and you get the statistics for your exam. So your scores and marks obtained, the number of attempts, and for each domain how many questions they were available and how many you answered them correct. So this way you can analyze your performance against each domain of the exam. But one thing I really like about Whizlab test is that if you come down, for each question there is an explanation of why it is the correct answer and why the wrong answer should not be selected. And with that, you also get a link to the Microsoft official documentation. So you can also go and read more about if you're really interested in it. So you get this for each and every question, which is really useful in preparing for the exam. So even if you're not able to complete any of the video courses, for example, this LinkedIn Path or this Udemy course, make sure to go through these practice tests, and they have been proven to be a lot of value to a lot of people. You also have a reference book if you would like. Again, if you're thinking of using AZ-900 dumps, please don't, and you can read the information here in the FAQ page. But then I would strongly suggest you to take the practice test, because if you do not take the practice test, you would not get a feel of the exam, and the exam environment will be pretty new to you, and there are chances that you may not be able to do well because you have not had a similar environment or similar situation before. So in this study guide for AZ-900, I have given the links for each and every objective within each domain. You can go through these links, and these links are very exhaustive. So that's why I suggested you to take the practice test. There are 5 different tests of 275 questions, and most of the questions cover all the concepts. But if you would like to go to a particular topic and searching for a resource, then this is the resource that I have put together. You can go through this, look for specific links, and read more about a specific topic. Not only AZ-900, I have also produced these certifications for a lot of other certifications like AZ-500, 103, 400, pretty much everything in my blog it's available. So you can find all the training resources For some, you have the plural site learning path and all the different information that you would need before going for the exam.